26.5. Are you kidding me? Isn't that exactly what I said a little while ago? All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 26, right? Clean break of 26. We know where the price is going. It's going all the way to 211 by way of, I'll tell you a little bit later. The resistance that we're paying attention is here, 33. Of course, 33, 39, it's an area of resistance. However, a clean break of 33, the overall market direction down, it's over short term, because as long as the price is above 33, the bulls are in control. All right, and they're gonna be looking to shake us out all the way 33, 39, 39, 33, and eventually it's gonna break. It's on its way to 55. All right, but don't draw that line yet. Overall market direction is down, so the odds are that it is the low 26, the one that is gonna be broken before this high right here, 39, and we all know where the price is going. All right, so that's what we're expecting. In the meantime, this 26, 33 is no man's land. That's it. All right. Time right now, Mystic, 9:25. 5 minutes to open, and we're gonna continue watching these levels, these two levels, 26 and 33, like a hawk. Right?
Right.
Right. Okay. So overall market direction is bearish. The odds, like I said, is that the price is gonna take the low 26. Right? And go to 211. All right. There's a couple of there are a couple of pit stops on its way to 211. All right. We'll see what they are. So we know, right? So let's repeat, right? The overall market direction, number one, the first thing that we need to pay attention to is where is the price going to go? Future. It's the only thing that we're interested in. What's the price going to do from now, since you pull the trigger on? What is the price going to do? You couldn't care less what it's done before. All right. So we already know that the odds are that it's going to go down. We believe that this down move, it's real. Sometimes it's not. It doesn't matter if the price has gone down 45, 50 points. Sometimes it's not a downtrend. Sometimes it's a squeeze. It's a squeeze, right? Or a crush. This one we believe it is. So what do we have? We have, of course, 33. As long as the price is below 33, bears are in control, and we are expecting the big picture, the overall market direction, to break 26 and go to 211, right? Price, the open takes 33, it goes to the pivot high right there, 39, 36, and it just cannot take it. So we know that the main play is, just like we said, short. 33, 36, right? Yeah? Those 3 points right there. That's the main play. Short, 33, not even 36. Price goes to the pivot, to that pivot high, 35. And we're gonna be chopped here for a while, but remember that we are predictors. We have a prediction addiction. We are nothing but predict the future. That's the only thing that we're interested in. Yeah, what's up?
I have a golden root bull.
Oh my God! All right, bull, right?
And
So,
bull too.
oh, okay. So what's the price right now? Right there, 29, right? So 29. You just heard mistake, right? Oh my God! Look, this 29 is gonna give us a hard time. The bears a hard time. Okay, that's short term. Okay, so we have to. So in other words, the fact that the price hasn't taken 28 yet, 26, and gone its way, is because of what Mystique just called. She just called a scalp long right here, 28. Short term. You don't want to do that. The main play is short, and we're counting on 26 to break it. But we know that the bulls right here at 28, they're not going to make it easy. And we know Mystique's calls, right? Okay, so in other words, not only we want to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, and this is the only way that we're going to be able to do it. All right. So the fact that the price is taking mistakes, 28 support, is pretty good for us because we are short 33 and 35 above, expecting the price to go to 26 right here, right now, 26. We know that look, it's a triple bottom. So we know that it's not going to be easy. However, we're counting on our crystal ball, the prediction that on our system, expecting the price to take 26, stop break even, start trailing, and let's go to 11, right? By way of, let me see, by way of where? Okay, give me a second right here. There's 25 holdings. Gee, shocker. Yes, you are by way of 21. Oh my God! Yeah, I said that a long time ago.
At 9:21.
Okay, at 9:21. At 9:21 by way of 21. Here it is, 21. What?
At 9:17.
All right, perfect. 9:17, right? Right here, 9:17. We knew that the price was going to break 26 by way of 21 on its way to. Thank you, Nas. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for reminding me. Right? Okay, so 211. 211, ladies and gentlemen, is target 1 right here, 211. All right, so this this trade that that we are after, it's 33, 36, right? So the mid range is what? 35 to 11. How many points is that, Mystic? Do you have a calculator? All right, so we are after 24 points. All right? All right. 24 points from here, from mid-range, 33, 26. That's the run, right? Now, when the price went ahead and took 33, we waited there. We were salivating to see if our 33 was going to hold, because remember, the overall market direction was sideways, so we were looking to short 33 and above. See how it happened. Recoil right away, confirmation that we are on the right side as long as we are short, and then we're looking for a 24-point run. I'm not saying that we were all geniuses and we had a limit short 35 and then we're gonna make that 24 points. No, we're gonna make a little bit less, right? We're gonna make some of you, those of you who always want to give yourself a couple of points above the exact line, 33, 34, 35, you had a line, but you know that it was a extremely aggressive entry short, because we know that the high of the wave in which we are right now was 38.5, right? So jumping the gun short 35, 36 is still a couple of points below the high. But it's okay, because that's why we establish a position. All right, establish a position short. You're not gonna go with full position unless I tell you to, and because what's important is not only pulling the trigger to get in, it's what you do after that, right? That's what's gonna make you a superb trader. It's what you do after that. All right, so that's 13, ladies and gentlemen. So we all know 26. So we had the 26, the breaking of the gold digger, Mystique's gold digger, right? The breaking of the gold digger this way give us an odd enhancer that we are on the right side of the angel, down, right? And then 26, remember, as long as the price is below 26, we have another confirmation that we're gonna get our target to 11, and by way of 21, right? We look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. It's not until the 6th minute that the price finally breaks off from 21. That's what by way of means. Look at it. We were expecting a 211. Price just went to 13. That's 2 points above our target. And Goldman Sachs knows that I'm telling you, all of you guys, to let it right to 11. They don't want you to go to 11, and that's why they're bouncing right here. Alrighty then. So let's go ahead and continue managing our position. Now, right here, this right here, it's a new reading. We are on a new rotation right now, and that's why this is happening. So we're gonna have a new reading. That doesn't necessarily mean that we don't expect the price to continue going to 11, but we are gonna have a new reading. Let's see what the new reading is. Okay, let's see what is the market telling us. All right, we all know 21, 22, it's support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, right? So what do you think the smart traders are doing right here at 22? They're adding to a winner. They still believe that we're going to get 11. So they're adding to a winner right there. All righty? Okay. Or establishing a new position, sure, if they are all in, all out. So, not to mention, of course, we all know that this 15 right here, it's a pivot low, right? We all know that. And it's a conventional technical analysis double bottom as well. Gee, so what do you think? He wasn't going to do this? This is a self-fulfilled prophecy, right, Mystique?
Yes.
This bounce right here.
Yes.
All right? So everybody knows 15, right? We all know 15. So those of us who are sure from the open, expecting the price to go to 11, we know 15 is a double bottom, right? And then everybody is locking right here, 15 to 35. That's not bad. That's a 22 point run in our direction. All right. Okay. So. Okay, maybe temporarily, but I don't have anything telling me that there is a change of direction. Okay, so let's see. Let's see how strong is this. What's the low right there? 13. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. All right, that's a tough one. All right, look at that. Something happened, right? Whoa. Okay, so, okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Gee, is that 33, Mystique?
Sure, I'll do a check.
Okay, let's see then. Let's see what's really going on here. Okay, vicious for the bears, right? Look at that. Anybody that is not full focus, right? Just got destroyed, right?
Cap, I have a robot uppercut bull. I'm gonna do it too.
Oh, okay. All right, so let's see what's really going on. Okay, there is a mild change in direction, right? But it's not. It's not a complete change, right? It's not even from bearish to snake. No, it's still bearish. It's very important to know. Okay. Look at that 33 still 30 our mid-range 35 holding. All right, let's see because that's a violent that's a violent spike right there from 20 all the way to 35, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. So that's a 15 point. A lot of people believe that just because it went up like that, it's going to continue going up. We don't say it's not. We just have to measure it. Okay. 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 All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, sure. Okay. So we're gonna bring 38 half. We're gonna bring it up to 41. So what's going on? Well, what's going on? Well, we all know what's going on, right? Remember, 33, right? Clean break of 33. This wasn't a clean break. This wasn't a clean break. This is a clean break now. So the chop begun. All right. So price is above 33 now. We of course we're measuring everything. As long as the price is comfortably above 33, it'll be looking to go to 40, 41. All right. Okay. And that's target one. For the bulls, those who went long here, God bless them. They're gonna be rewarded because the price is on its way to 40. 41 is gonna stop it. 41, and 50. Alrighty. Oh my God, really? So there is a change in direction? Not really. Not overall. Okay. 50 is not a big deal. All right, so this is what's going to happen now. 33 is still extremely important. As long as the price is above 33, clean break of 33, the bulls are going to be looking to take this double top right here, 38, and they're going to take it to 41, and then 41, and then 50. Okay. Well, it's not going to be a swift ride. No, it's gonna be a big time chop right here. Okay, so watch what we already made, right? So we know that above 33, we're not long these gorgeous bounds, right? Because we wanted to go long 11 and we didn't get it by 2 points. So we're not taking advantage of this beautiful move. However. So we were short here. We wanted 24 points. We only made 22, and the market changed on us. It's a violent, beautiful. I love it when the smart money does this. We know the importance of 33, right? We're never gonna let a winner turn into a loser. This break of structure right here, when the price at 945 breaks our downtrend channel, we're not gonna be short anymore. We didn't go long, but we're not going to be short anymore, right? So now that we have a new rotation, a double rotation, this is unbelievable. And when the price breaks 33, then we have to get long, because I told you half an hour, 45 minutes ago, above 33, it'll go up, and then I told you, and the level that it's gonna go is 41. So from 33 to 41, that's 8 points and 50, right?
Yeah.
I gave you this a little while ago. All right. Okay. So this is what we are expecting now that we are long confirmation break of 33, cutting cut, right? We knew that it was going to test the high 38 half, break it, and continue to 41. Look at this baby. It just went to what? It just went to
42.75.
all right, okay? So our job is to ride it all the way to 50. Now, we also, this change, this nasty change, nasty for the bears, change of direction, violent, tough attitude, right?
Right.
Could it happen again, but to the other side, Mystique?
Of course.
So my point is, yes, we're long, 33, and we're gonna ride it to 50, target one. We knew it was going to, the ride is all the way to 50 by way of 38, 41, and we just hit, what is this, 43, and if it breaks 33 to the downside, what are we gonna do again?
Push short.
Well,
Change hands.
well, we're gonna get the hell out, and we're gonna take it easy, because when the market is this dangerous, we want to keep what we have, and we don't want to mess with it. All righty? Okay, until we get another one, clean, beautiful, high probability setup, in which Mystique and I were both in alignment with the market, and then with those odds, then we do it again. So we're going to remain long, above 33, expecting the price to continue to 50. By way of 48. Oh my God, look at this, by way of 48. O sea, by way, there's a lot of stuff gonna be happening. All right, so let's do it. 51. We're gonna move this to 51, and 51 is target one. And this target one, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be a counter trend short. I'm expecting the price not to take 51 nicely. I'm expecting a recoil off of 51. So we're going to lock as many points as possible on this long 33, all the way to 51, 33, that's 18 points, I believe. And then we're going to give it a shot. We're going to counter trend it short. All righty?
All right.
Of course, we're going to pulse it out. All right, so let's make sure that we are understanding everything. Mystique just called right here, this the 40, right? 40, 43, 42, 42 mid-range. It's a robot, sure, that we have to be careful, right? Because look at this move up, and we are expecting the price to go to 48 and 51, right? But didn't I said a couple of minutes ago, it's not gonna be an easy ride. It's not gonna be a straight line. There's gonna be some hurdles in the way. Here's one. Your 44 bearish setup right here. Mystique 44, right? Okay, 41, 44. Okay, it's a temporary short, scalp short. If the price takes it nicely, right? It takes nicely that 41 that you call Mystique. Well, that's 41, 41, 42. Then we have confirmation that there is enough strength for the move to finally take it to 48 and 51. 51, target 51. So what is it that we have to pay attention right now? The following. We wanted 11, and the price only went to 13, so we missed it by 2 points. We only made 22 points, right? Well, the fact that we didn't get our 11 and the market totally reversed, all right, so and we have confirmation here at 33 that it's going to continue going to 50, target 151, then we're going to be looking at exactly the same thing. if the price doesn't reach our 51, then there's going to be another there's going to be another possible good run to the downside. All right, so that's what we have to be careful about. So at all times, we always need to know our risk. What's the price doing? How it's doing it? And what is it that we should be expecting? If it takes this, I'm out. If it comes right here, I add to my winner. If it does this, I establish a new position. If it does this, I'm comfortable that I'm going to get my target. In other words, the power of focus. Right? So look at Mystique's Gold Digger Bear. Look at it, right? Look at it, right? What was it? 42, right? Look at that.
42.
Okay, look at that. 42. Price goes all the way. 42, 44. It's a 2-point range right there. Right? Look at it. 42, 40 point, boom. And then what happens? Cannot take it. All right? So we are in a short term bearish. Look at that. 42 all the way to 39. 3 points. It goes 42, 43. Cannot take it. It's a gold digger bearish. We still just call it like the other one, right?
Right.
It cannot take it. It tumbles 3 points and still there. Look at that. 39 still there. All right. So in other words, those of us who are long, expecting the price to go to our 48 and 51, we are not surprised that the price hasn't been able to take this pivot high right here, 44. Why? Because Mystique just called it scalp short 42. And look how long it's been there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes. And it cannot take it. So we're not, number one, we're not surprised that we are not on a straight line to our, by the way of 48 and target 151. We're not surprised by that. And number two, we know that this is a short-term short. So scalpers, they're totally short right there, 43. Why not? If we have a, why not? If we have a, it's not a counter trend, not to be confused. A counter trend is a short 51. Short here is just it's a tempo. It's a tempo short. It's a one of our robots that tell us this is not going to be taken easily anytime soon. It's going to do all it can to stop the price from going to 48 and 51. So scalpers, we are scalpers on the micros on a small account. We are short right here, 42, 43. Right? We're not out of our main play that we expect to realize target 151. Just leave it alone. Alrighty? We have to wait for a clean break of structure for us not to want to continue carrying a bullish position. Alright? Just leave it alone. Main play long to 48 and 51. In the meantime, why not take a shot short 43 and make a couple of points? We know that it's not going to be easily taken. So scalpers are making +1, +2, +3 points. All right? And is it possible, Mystique, that what did I say 10 minutes ago? Is it possible that with the attitude of the market attitude today, we have another move down?
Of course.
At least back to 34?
Absolutely.
34 and 30? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm expecting. All right, from this short right here, 34. Okay, 34, 30. All right, this is a small ride for this high right here. Right, counter, not counter trend, a tempo. Counter trend is 51. Yes, of course. Shorting here, the Mystique's Gold Digger short, it's of course it's a counter trend. It's a counter trend of our trend. But it's not considered really a counter trend. That's just a scalp, right? It's very important. All right, so what those of us who change hats to bull above 33, 1, 51, that's 18 points. All right, so let's write it all the way to 51, and as long as we continue getting scalps shorts, we want to be on top of it. Take it, it went down, you make +1, +2, +3, get the hell out. Don't mess with your main play until I tell you to. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. Right. So let's go ahead and continue with the plan. Right. We've had a plan like we do every day since 9 a.m. All right. Look at Mystique's Gold Digger short 43, now 44. Look at it. Right. Price just cannot take it. Look at it. So scalpers, those who are strategizing a move all the way to 34 and 30, they're going to continue shorting the high. Every time the price takes the high, that's a short. Why? Because they are after 34 and 30. Right? This is trading at its utmost proficiency. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 48, right? Okay, so yeah, I understand. I know that we have 51 as target one, right? So 48, 49, 50, 51, 3 points, right? And remember what happened to us on the way down, that we only made 22 points instead of 24 because the price never went to our 11. It only went to 13. So you're thinking right now, you know what? I'm going to get the hell out right here, 48, just in case we don't hit target one again. Well, I can understand you reasoning that. I'm okay with it. Not to mention that. Remember, it's okay to get out a couple of points below, a couple of points above. We pulse out the target, right? Most of the time, our system gets the target to the tick. And I know that you're being pampered by writing it to the exact target. However, look at your position size, look at the different different conditions of the market. And it's Monday, you want to go play golf. We already made 22 points on the way down, and then we are up 33 to 48. So look at it, and most importantly, keep every single green that you have. Keep it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 51 hit, right? Isn't it 51? That's 51, ladies and gentlemen, from 33 to 51. Okay. All righty. Okay, so we're talking 18 points. All right? And, ladies and gentlemen, 51 is target 1. We know that we get out 3 times. That's why we trade. We make it that we have at least 3 units so that we can get out 3 times. And this is target 1, 51, lot 51. Let's see if it's going to continue going up. And if it is, where is it going for target 2? And not only where is it going, how it's going to get there, so that whenever there is a little pause, then we were expecting it, because we know that the price was going to pause right there at that by way of. Right? That's what we do every single day.
Robbie says you're number 1.
Robbie?
Yes, that's your number 1.
Number 1?
Yeah, you're right on target. You're number 1.
No.
Numero uno.
Right. I appreciate that so much, Robbie. The reason I'm here is because of you. You're my boss.
That's right. I'm your boss too.
Oh yeah. Okay. And I'm loving it. What a boss. No, not everybody can have a boss like you, baby. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right, so 51, right? So we have that 51, 52, counter trend short that I told you. Target 1, we're going to counter trend it. We're going to counter trend it short. 51, 52. It goes to 52 half. And look at the recoil all the way to 46. Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. 46. 46. That's 5 points. All right. Why not make a couple of bucks while I figure out if this up move is going to continue? Everything I told you a couple of minutes ago. Is it going to continue to target 2? How it's going to get there and why and what's the strength and what are the odds, right? Let's go ahead and counter trend short 51. 52, and look at this nice drop all the way to 45. Look at it, 45, right? Look at this nice drop to 45. In the meantime, we're making through 3, 4, 5, 6 points. And those of you paying attention, remember that Mystique called a short, a gold digger short that has 2 targets. It has, remember the gold digger scalp here at 42, 44. Remember right here, 42, 44. All this move from 44 to 53 is a squeeze of those scalpers that took a shot short 44. Right? Those guys, those ladies and gentlemen, they want to go to 34. Here it is, 34. That's their first target, good scalpers, not just, kids taking 1, 2, 3 points. Yeah, sure, we take 1, 2, 3 points. When we get in, price doesn't go with us immediately, and then we just make 1, 2, 3 points, break even, right? No big deal. But our type of scalp is this gold digger, the Mystique call. They want to take it from here, from 44 all the way to 34. So they want to make 10 points, and that's exactly what we're going to do from the counter trend short 51. 51 to 34, how many points is that? 51 minus 34, that's a whole bunch of points, right? Okay, for the counter trend. So in other words, we have a much better entry, right? 51, but it began at 44 when Mystique called it, hey, something's going on, CAPI, bears, are stepping in, and then the bulls squeeze them all the way to 52, and we know that. Oh, okay, we're going to be squeezed? No problem. I'm going to get out. I'm going to let my main play go to target 151, and then I'm going to counter trend it, and then this counter trend short 51 is a twosome. Not only is target 1, which is automatic counter trend, it is also the squeeze of the gold digger bear that Mystique called right there at 44. Come on. So, think about this. Even if the price doesn't go to target 1 for the scalp, 34, and you have a terrific entry here, 51, 52, and look at this. The price look at this recoil all the way to 42. We're up 10 points already. Even if we don't hit target 34 for the 17 points, thank you, Sean, then we're already up 10 points on this scalp. Right? Right? Okay. And so in other words, this is how professional real day trading is done. You want to take advantage of every single move that your system can tell. You got to take advantage of it. You came here to, right? You're a day trader. Take advantage of every single move. Alrighty? Boom, bam, bing. Oh, 41. 41 stop this recoil. Gee, I wonder why. Could it be resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance? Our resistance, our stops, right? Not just any, because a lot of people call areas of supply, areas of demand, and they have no clue what they're talking about. All they know is a double top and a double bottom. That's it. That's all the fake gurus on YouTube know. Alrighty. So that's why they trade very little, and the day they decide to trade, they get destroyed, because that's the day, the rule of 3, that is not gonna work. Boom, bang, bing. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? I believe that's 36, isn't it? That's a nice little scalp, isn't it? Thanks, buddy. It's exactly. I love that word, Sean. It's exactly. Okay. Yes, it is. Alrighty then. Okay. Come on. That's 37, Mystique.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. From 52, 51, minus 37. How many points is this scalp? 15 points, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Remember, it is 34 where they want to take it. 34. Okay? It's not going to be easy going to 34, because look, 36, look, 35, you know, they're going to be tough to crack. But that's where they want to go. And remember, 34 is target 1 for that scalp that we all know could easily turn into another trend. All right? Now remember that we were overall market direction down, and then we have 2 rotations in this morning, which is, you know, it doesn't happen often. And these rotations are going to give us a new read, and we've been looking to see if there is going to be a change on direction, because the direction has been short since 9 a.m., hasn't it been?
That's right.
So the direction has been short, and even though price went all the way to 52, remember what I told you, it doesn't matter. That's, in our humble opinion, a rally in a still downtrend, right? It's just that the price, this is what we live for, volatility. This type of volatility is the one that our bread and butter. Gonna go out of a limb here, and there has been a change in direction, ladies and gentlemen. Short term, finally, the market decided to no longer go down. This strong move up, we had to wait to measure it to see if the intentions of the market is to continue going up, and we now believe that yes, the market wants to continue going up. Oh, okay. So where to? Well, pretty much we believe that the main play long, 33, remember, 33 long, target 151, we believe now that there is a target 2. Oh my God, really? That's correct. Oh, where, man? All right, so it's target 2. It's pretty good. It's not bad. It's 72. Okay, let me see. No, it's 69. Here it is. Target 2, ladies and gentlemen, is 69. Target 2, 69. Alrighty. Okay, oh my God, you're great. By way of where? Where is it here that the price is gonna be stopped? It's gonna be stopped at a couple of places. All right, it's gonna be stopped at 58, and it's gonna be stopped at 60. These are two by way of, on its way to 69, target 2. Our job, those of you who are strong traders, is, since we're still holding a long position, especially since this pullback from 52 all the way to 36, we took it as a counter trend with a smaller position, right? Beautiful. Then we're expecting the price to go test the high right here, 51, 52, 53. Shenanigans. It's going to be a triple top. Everybody knows it. And then we are expecting longer term time. It's early. It's only 10:49. We are expecting the price to continue going up all the way to 69 by way of 58 and 60. Draw those lines and be strong. And of course, we know that it's not going to be an easy ride. But that's the plan, and that's where the price is going, and that's what we are all about, and that's where we're going to take it. Unless the price continue doing some shenanigans instead of his attitude, right? Look at that violent retracement, which ended up, in our humble opinion, being a reversal. Look at it, right? So that's what we day traders do. All right? So in other words, the market reveals itself. Remember, we are in limbo. This is not the favorite condition. This is not a condition that we believe is conducive to our system believing the market is moving rhythmically. It's not. But remember, 80% of the time, this is the way the market moves. As long as we know what it is the intentions are, our job is to be strong and ride it. Right, ladies and gentlemen? I believe that's 58, right? 58 to the tick, isn't it? Alrighty then. So 58, nicely. Well, so the market is doing exactly what we say our system says it was going to do. All right, so our job is to be strong and let it ride, just like I told you 45 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. So I believe that's 62 right there. And remember, by way of 58 and 60, price goes. We are on our way to 69, target 2. 69, target 2, right? We are strong. I told you, be strong, let it ride. As long as there is no break of structure, let it ride to target 2. All right? Break of structure, let the price take your trail. That's all there is to it. All right? So we're going to let it ride to target 2, 69. And I believe this is by way of, this is very important because remember, we not only need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. So how is it going to get there? Well, 58 and 60 are going to temporarily stop it. The price is going to pause right there. There's a difference between a pause and a real turning, right? Even, you're right, even those traders that love to teach you after the fact know that. So, but it's true, right? So that's a pause. So we want to know when the price is going to pause before it does it, not after it does it, right? Big deal to know it after it happened. We want to know before, hey, when the price goes here, this is what's going to do. Now that's real trading. That's a real trader, right? Not an after the fact guy. There are so many. Don't worry about it. All right, so we are on our way to 69, stop, right? From all the way from 33. Beautiful. Okay? Let it ride. Is it guaranteed that we're gonna get target 269? We didn't get target 1 when we were bearish. Remember 211? We missed it by 2 points. Well, let's see. Let's see. Was the issue with this move? Let's see it. Write it. Okay. Let's do it. Right? So long story short, 55, right? It's our first level that on our way to target 269 that we were expecting the price to stop, right? We had 3 today. When there is this type of volatility, we're going to have a lot of levels, right? We're going to take them out, in a while, but we want to remember 58, 55, 58, 60. Price goes to beautifully takes 58, right? Hangs around here, 58, 62 for half an hour. Finally breaks. We want to ride it to 69. Price pulls back. Where to? To our levels, right? To our levels of support and resistance. All right, no problem. Those of you who are strong and you're gonna trade for the rest of the day, you want to let it ride to 69 and target 3 because we haven't broken the long-term direction. Okay, so target 3 we don't have it yet, and we all know that it can take the entire day for the price to even go to target 2 if it's gonna go regardless. That's 66. Think about that. 66 minus 33. So we have a 33 point in our direction. So we had 24 points on the way down in our direction, in our favor, of which hopefully we took as many as we possibly could. And we have right now 33 points in our direction. We want 3 more for a total of 36 for target 2. And it's a little bit late, of course, it's 12 noon. We know that the official chop begun. But there is nothing saying that other than big time chop now, and we all know all the way until 2 that this is going to be, a hard hold. All right, so target 2, ladies and gentlemen, just became a range. All right, 69.72. Okay. Just became a range, 69.72. That's target 2, and let's see what's target 3. Okay, our job is to let it ride. Okay, let it ride. Oh my God, oh my God, dude, look at this pullback, man. It's too much. I'm out already. Well, if you're gonna trade, I know we want to make in 2 hours. Most people make in 2 months, right? But I don't play golf, so I'm gonna stay here trading the entire rest of the day. So if I see any new changes, I'll post it as it's happening, live, real time, as it's happening every single day, Monday through Friday, like I do every single day the market is open, Monday through Friday. All righty? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it took a little while, right? Look at the time. It's exactly 1 p.m. It took a little while to get our target 2. But we're getting a bonus. We're getting a 6 points bonus. Look at that clean, beautiful break of our target 272. And it goes in a 1, 2, 3. It goes to 81. So 7 point bonus in a couple of minutes. So it was worth the wait, wasn't it? All right. Let's go for target 3. And of course, let's see if we take advantage of the counter trend and the ebb and flow, right?